How do startups use AI employees for omni-channel marketing? So AI syncs emails, social, and chat, and engagement with all of these channels. So in my CRM, we can engage, answer all of these channels depending on trigger words. So you can actually you keep that part very AI employee focused. A $1 million Seattle startup used HubSpot's AI to coordinate campaigns, lifting engagement by 30%. Start with free tools like MailChimp for omnichannel basics. Then you grow. So start small, small batches, free tools, and grow from there. Okay, so question number 18. What's the future of AI employees for US and UK SMEs? So here's the facts. By 2027, 80% of customer interaction will be AI driven. US, UK SMEs will use AI for analytics, support, and personalization. Stay ahead by testing tools like the Scaling Founder CRM and Apollo IO today. Get ahead of this curve. And then question 19, how to combine AI employees with human creativity for leads. So what can you do? Use AI for data tasks, human for strategy, and people interaction. A $5 million London SaaS firm paired AI lead scoring with creative campaigns, boosting conversion 20%. Balance is key. Let AI handle the grunt work. And we've made it. Question 20. How do $5 to $10 million firms calculate AI employee ROI? So basically, you need to compare cost. Say you spend 10K on smart leads for gains of 100K in new leads. And you get the gains because the leads are targeted and enriched and scored. So a $6 million Chicago firm tracked 3 times the lead growth with AI. That's a big jump. Use my free ROI calculator to crunch the numbers. I'll send the link in the actual, well, I'll leave you the link in the description. So that's 20 ways AI employees can transform your US, UK B2B growth. From startups saving time to $5 to $10 million firms scaling fast, there's a strategy for you. So want more? Check out my playlist for lead gen scoring and more. Grab my free AI employee starter kit. Link is in the description at the bottom and kickstart your journey. So subscribe, hit the bell, and comment. Tell me, what's your top AI tool? I'd love to hear, and I'll answer all the comments personally. Let's keep scaling together. Thanks for watching The Scaling Founder. Next up, it's the lead scoring on Tuesday. I'll see you there and keep on scaling.